Hello, and welcome to this 12-minute yoga stretch to release muscle tension. We're going to start at the center of our mat, hip width apart, and we'll place our hands on our chest and our stomach. Breathe deeply here, coming into the present moment. Inhale deeply, and then exhale, breathe out any tension. Bring your hands to your side or to your hips and gently bring your hips forward, round and back. Keeping the flow going, keeping your breath deep. And then switching rotation, bringing your hips back, round. Bring your hands back to your side and inhale, bring your shoulders up, back and around. Repeating this movement and syncing your breath and body together. Now do the same with your wrists. You can roll your wrists one way and then the other. Now interlace your fingers and you can start to roll your wrists again as one big flow. And then rotating the other way and release. Inhale, bring your hands up over your head and then back down, and again keeping that flow going. Inhaling up, exhaling down, releasing that tension. Now step your hips a bit wider. You can do this by heel toeing apart, and you're going to inhale and bring your left hand up and over your head. Exhale and then do the same on the right. Keep flowing again, releasing tension on either side. Now you're going to bring both hands all the way up, and as you do, bend your knees and come down into a goddess pose. Exhale, come back up. Heel toe your feet back into the center, so your feet are either flushed apart or slightly together, and you're going to start rotating your left ankle one way and then the other. You're then going to bring your knee into your chest and continue that rotation, grounding in your right leg for balance. Then going to switch and rotate your right ankle one way and then the other, and then bring your leg up towards your chest and continue the ankle rotation one way and then the next. Now come down to your mat on your hands and knees, and you're going to inhale and look up and arch your back, and then exhale, look down and arch your spine, and you're going to keep this flow going. You're then going to take your right leg and start making rotations one way. and then switch to the other way. And then you got it on your left leg. Start making rotations one way and then the other. Come back to your hands and knees and bring your knees as wide as the mat, and you're going to sit back, bring your hands forward into child's pose. And again, breathing here, elongating the spine. You're going to slowly rise and bring your knees together, and then you're going to bring your hands all the way forward and bring just your chest forward. So you're in a puppy posture with your back and bottom facing the ceiling still. To come out of this pose, you're going to round your spine and bring your body forward and come into a Sphinx pose. You're going to look behind you one way and then the other. And then come back to center, and you're going to bend your left leg and then see if you can grab it for a deep stretch in your front. You'll then release your leg and then go to the other side. So look behind you, see if you can bend your right leg and reach back. And only bring it towards you as much as you feel comfortable, feeling the difference on each side. Release your right leg, come back to center, and you're going to slowly push yourself up, back to your hands and knees, and come forward into a kneeling position. Gently reset by rolling your shoulders back. You can tilt your head, you can just fix your body however you feel you need. And then swivel your legs forward, bringing your feet in front of you. And you're going to slowly bend your knees one way and then the other, releasing any tension in your hips. And keep flowing. And you might find that your body moves to the front of the mat. If you want to challenge yourself, you can do it without your hands. And once you get to the front of your mat, slowly bring your body all the way down into a lying position. Bring your hands above your head and then back up into a seated position and repeat. slow down. Bring your hands to your side in cactus position, have your legs out. Breathe here, and then bring your right leg in, hug it all the way into your chest. And then bring it across your body to your left side. Then release and do it on the other side. So bring your left leg in, hug it all the way in, and then bring it across your right side and bring your hands either side in a cactus position. And then release and come into Savasana, relaxing your body, letting go of this really quick practice, and being as present as possible. When you're ready to conclude your practice, you can gently wiggle your fingers and your toes and come back to a seated position. I wish you a wonderful day ahead. Namaste.